See, in Nigeria, it is only the Igbo people that collectively treat the fuck up of their elites. See, then they hold their celebrities and elites accountable. Die. Maka. No excesses, no pride. Anything where you be, now for your papas. We need a worship or lick anybody nyash for this side. You know, go find us for that kind of settings. See, we get mind of our own. An average Igbo man is egalitarian. See, if you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Look at Cubana Chief Priest. After the premium shege he got from his people, he has been wailing endlessly. Tears now water. But Baba, we don't send you for yeah. Anything where you be, that for that your see. You know they give anybody food though. Not for that your side. Maybe if they do that, they carry they go that side. You they feel me? Look at Reverend Ejike Mbaka. As highly placed as he was, got his own share of opprobrium immediately he misyarned. What of Ike Ekweremmadu? A once loved senator lost all the prestige and respect he garnered for years the moment he started misbehaving. We know they send you for a year. You feel me? Filele. See, they even throw him hot here for Germany as he went for, what say they call him, New Year Festival. And Ndigbo got that one right. A year later, he was fingered in his daughter's kidney transplant scam and is currently serving his jail term in the UK. You know they get me. If to say na Igbo people na be, we say be that king name for that the Aoshun we do scam. See, if I don't finish on, we know they look at your face for yeah. Oh, they I want for you. Even Obi Cubana wasn't left out. Ndigbo cooked for him. Till date, he's still eating the leftovers. Look at Okwulora. You know that guy Okwulora. See the way they are dragging him like I passed my neighbor generator. No even himself, he no even believe him. I clear now once. I clear everywhere blow. Even Governor Soludo, Orji Uzor Kalu, the sixth man of the federation and others, see they collect woto from their people if they misyarn. We know they. See, that doesn't mean Ndigbo are bitter people. Get one pastor like that one time we come out, they talk to you, we no get respect. Oh, God not be say, let's me that man's name. Now Suleiman be name. Oh, God not be say we no get respect. You understand? And Igbo adage says that Eze menyo John what I create uchi and katananya where yoku. We hate corruption and wickedness. Operation never you were too much. That's why an average Igbo man we are Republican. You understand? You dey feel me? We value equity, justice, and fairness, even truth. I like your job. We are not domicile. That's why we didn't do like that for. We didn't do like now. What for you? We still hold the likes of Michael Okpara, Mbakwe, Chinua Achebe, Odumegwu Ojukwu, Nnamdi Kanu, Governor Alex Otti, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe, Dr. Godwin Maduka in high esteem till date. The list is endless. See, if you do good, we praise you. If you do bad, we pieces you. Akonye wetelo. Anye sobia. What I go? Ema why you do it one? Because we Igbos are mostly independent and hardworking. We don't depend on anyone to survive. So we speak our mind at all times. The only person they feed you will fit control you. Only beggars and lazy people, then they shy away from calling their kinsmen out. To the Igbos, everyone is accountable to the larger community. No one is greater than the community. That's why there is an Igbo adage that says, if one person cooks for the community, for the crowd, the community go chop and finish. But if the community cook for you, oh Bob, you know fit chop and finish. You know fit. And there's another adage that says, when a deity misbehaves, we remind it of the wood or tree it was carved out of. You dey feel me? Imagine say that your ghost now for your house now they misbehave. You tell her say how this thing go be? They list. You go tell her, oh God, now from this Europe tree they from now so Igbo people there. We no send your papa for this site. You dey feel me? Now you make it be like say some Igbo people like very dark man because of the way when they talk out. Not be because say you get one special thing about them. They like person they voice. A person will be say if you see truth, you go talk and come aside. And so we be. You dey feel me? Filele. And also charity begins at home. Ana mama n'ụlọ tupu apụba n'ezi. Ezi aha ka ego. Everything is not about money. You see, everything no be money. Character and integrity always triumph over money and greed. We want and will never support evil whatsoever. We Ndigbo, we abhor evil. On iwe when you're I like your joy. Or the ban. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you're seeking for proof of funds assistance, come, I'm going to help you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM. And if you also want to travel for your work visa and student visa, I am also available. See you in my DM. Bye.